we've eventually got the sun out. It's been a while. When I do this wall next, I'll cut these holes out the old school way. I have all the gear to do it with my hole saws and that sort of thing, but I'll show you how I do it with a grinder. So that'll be my next video. I'll show you how it used to be done before hole saws come out. And people go, how the hell did you cut that hole with your grinder? Well, I'll show you next video. In the meantime, we'll just shoot up this wall. These tiles are they're not exactly super perfect. There's something not quite right with them. So I've got to just be a little bit careful and watch my lines a little bit more than usual. Like they're fine. Throw that one away, but they're not like my eyes are pretty trained to see 1.5 mil line. But they are just I don't know, there's something just a little bit off, but that's good. Hear that? That will last for 100 years. That is the sound you must hear. I hope you can hear that. When you hear that in a tile that's dry, it's drummy. When you hear that sound, it's a solid sound. If you're tapping your floor and you hear this, you know it's a drummy tile. But that's a hollow wall, so you'll always hear that sound. But on the floor, you must always hear that sound. Okay, let's carry on. Don't forget to subscribe. Lean in, people, because we're off for a brilliant ride. You will learn heaps. Because that's what I'm out to do. Is teach people. That's my goal. That's what I want to do at the moment. Teach everyone out there how to do it. And the internet is the way to do it. Technology, whew, blows me away. I don't understand half of it. Well, no, even less than that. Because I've always worked with my hands. The computer, it's mind-boggling. Anything you want to know, ask Google or YouTube. It's incredible. Years ago. That's bent, chuck it away. In my day, when I was in business and there wasn't even any phone. Like, everyone's got a mobile computer with them. In my 30s, you had to wait till you got home, and then your wife's yelling at you because dinner's getting cold, but you were on the phone organising your next day's work. So there is no computer or laptop or iPad on your knee while you're watching telly. No. How things have changed. Oh, look at that. Humongous chip. Ooh. That's all right. We'll just use it for a cut. Put it aside. It's too slow checking every tile. The occasional tile, sorry ants, you are going into the wall and getting glued up as well. A few ants in this pile of tiles, in this pallet of tiles, but you get that. They usually disappear. Look at that. I buy them online by the thousands, so the odd Bent one, just chuck it away. One thing I haven't done, and I'll do it in a sec, when I put these clips in, is put a level across to make sure I'm in line. Take those off for a sec. Okay, so I'm just a little bit high. Take that wedge out. Sometimes you can creep a little bit, that's why you must check it.